Today I'm going to be demonstrating to you my program QuizGuru that I made that dictates questions to you from the Quinterest database. So when you first download this program, and I hope that you do, it'll be just a zip file from GitHub, which you'll uncompress and you'll get this group of files here. All you need to do is make sure that quizguru.jar and lib are in the same place. So you could just keep it in the same folder if you'd like, because it requires these libraries to run, and it'll just crash on startup if you don't do that. And also, if it doesn't start up, if it says that I'm an unidentified developer, which I am in Apple's eyes, if you're using a Mac anyway, all you have to do is right-click and hit open, and then just, I guess, just hit OK. So anyway, so now that I launched the program, I'll demonstrate some of its capabilities. Here it is. Basically, the most notable capability is that it dictates questions to you. It has 4 voices, and you can, sort by tournament, difficulty. You can do a custom search just as you would using Quinterest. Any category, although I don't have any custom distribution of categories or anything like that yet. It'll store the questions that you've seen in question history if you'd like to look them up on Quinterest again, or just keep a log. This is the about section, crediting everyone. I go to USC, and so I made this program so that I could better study for a quiz bowl myself. But anyway, let's get to it. So if I go to HS, for example, and I could look up something like Donatello. And I'll just do get bonuses for this example.
Kenneth Clark wrote that this sculpture ushered in a new age where. Answer David.
And I'm sorry, I know it's really loud. There's no way for me to change the audio levels for this particular video. This recording software is not like that adept, I guess, but yeah, sorry if your ears got like wrecked. But yeah, anyway.
David was sculpted by this Renaissance. Answer Donatello. Answer or San Michael.
And you can just kind of run through it. So you can pause any of the voices or anything.
Or Kitchen Garden of Street Michael.
It'll keep going. So if we go to history, change it to middle school, just for fun. You can go to get toss up.
Lake Gatun, is part of this waterway, whose construction was made possible. Answer, Panama Canal.
Also, one other feature, if you're studying by yourself or like in the car with your team or something on the way to a tournament, you can check this, or I guess uncheck it. And what it'll do is it'll hide the question as it's reading it, so that you don't, get any clues or anything early on just from reading it. And you can actually just study it yourself.
In this novel,
and then if
the
you
narrator is told the word waterproof. Answer Lolita.
Once you're done with the question, it'll show up just like that. So anyway, thanks for watching.